meat. I wouldn't have it any other way, especially with Louisiana seafood. So we're gonna do something a little bit different. All right? I'm gonna talk, you're gonna cut. This is why we have students. They wanna learn, right? So if he messes up, it's his fault. Nah.
I taught you well, John Reason. So at the culinary school, John was one of my students. We hit it off, became really good friends, and now he brings me to events. I bring him to many of events, and we always bring our students.
Very, very good learning experience. What I did with the sponge, a lot of times when they clean them, you still get a little slippery slickness from it. And as you can tell, some of the salt water and all that still come on. But I like to take a sponge and walk and go through, because that helps get a lot of the slick off, but it also shows my bloodlines better of where I want to cut, how I want to cut. And if I'm teaching somebody how to do it, that's what I want them to see. That bloodline and the lines of where they should actually cut. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna come back just a little bit, and we're gonna come and get all the collar off, and then we're gonna release that collar. You ever use that?
No.
Well, you look scared, yeah?
Scared of this?
Don't be scared. That one does not have your guide or your dorsal. What we're gonna do is so you can see your guide, we're gonna flip it. Watch the knives. Now, you're gonna take here. Now you see how that is?
Yep.
You're gonna come down at an angle. Don't wanna saw it in. You wanna come down, there you go. Now go around and get your collar. The fish is gonna show you its lines. You're gonna get the whole collar off. There you go. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna roll it. There you go. Same thing. You're gonna take this whole collar right there off. So what you're gonna do, same side here, you're gonna go under, flip it up, same exact thing right there at that angle. You're gonna get under that breath right there. Keep coming. See how you don't have all that bone to cut through now? Same thing with that one, but don't get my finger. There you go. There you go. Now get that one right here. If you have to roll it, roll it. This right here is not waste on the collar. You can cut that, make a broth, make a stock with it, or it's real fatty, which is perfect for smoking. So what he's doing is he's following this backbone, and he's following this bloodline coming down. That way when we go to clean it, you won't have so much of a waste of blood. So what he's gonna do is he's actually gonna go through and hit that bone. And once he hits that bone line, we're gonna come here and do the same thing. If you ever did a back strap on a deer, same concept. He started here, so what we're gonna do is just follow that line and cut through. And then once you get it there, we're gonna roll it on out. See how it just starts to fold and roll out? Now you can switch to the fillet knife. It's a lot thinner, and go under. See how that's just rolling right out? You have less waste like that. We're going to continue cutting. We're going to clean up the bloodline, get that cleaned up a little bit, pass that down to where they can start getting everything ready for sales. We're also going to pass out some samples of the sashimi. Who wants first bite? No, sir. It's brined by salt water.
I use jasmine rice. I cooked it in my rice pot. I use a little less water, and then right when it comes out, I pour it into a big bowl, and I put sushi rice vinegar.
That's what I was trying to.
And I don't cook it with any salt. Okay. I use Kinkoman. It's a seasoned rice wine vinegar.
Right. Okay.
Good? Buttery?
Very buttery.
Good job, Tim.
Thank you.
All right, John. They're ready to start selling steaks.
Okay. This one's ready to stake out.
Let's stake this one out. I'm gonna go get a pan.
Those steaks are nice. Cut it in half and hand me half of it. And when you cut it, since it still has the skin on it, bring it down.
And just go out.
And just go out, so I have a skinless piece over here. Steaks look great.